Not bad. 8 spins. 8 spins on tackle. 20 there. And pow. 8 spins, put in $200. $200 to keep the game going. So I'm up to 237. 237 on tackle woman right quick. That's not bad. Quick 237. So we're in the hiding room, getting active, getting busy. Now we do it. Just pulled up. And there it is. I think I'm gonna just cash out, walk away, shit. Take my $237 and get on. You know what I mean? Sometimes, hey, that's all you gotta do. Just pull up, hit it right quick and get on. That's how you keep a winning streak going. So that'll be a 5 days straight like that. 5 days winning streak, straight like that, real quick. So hey, $237 real quick. Ain't mad at it. Take it and walk away. Go home and get some sleep, straight like that. I'm gonna give you some quick sauce right now. All right, quick gym. This game is easy to hit on. Here's why. I'm gonna show you. First, you gotta go to the help pay table. You gotta hit the pay table right. Tells you all about the game. Wins and multiply. Here's all this stuff. You know what I mean? Free games triggered, all this. Alright? Here's what you gotta pay attention to. That's wild. Scatter, that's the bonus. 500. So 5 of these pays 500, 250, 200, 150, 150 for the icons. And then 100, ace, king. And then look, 75. Jack, 10, 9, queen. Those don't pay much. So as you can see, that's a 5 of a kind. That's got a 4 of a kind, so that stuff don't pay much. So because it doesn't pay much, it's gonna hit more frequent hits because it don't pay much. So I got the highest paying icon, which is this, the tiger, but it don't pay much, 4 of a kind pays 100, you know what I mean? So, and that's per line, you know what I'm saying? So it doesn't pay too much. So it has more frequent hits. That's how you can tell pay table. Now, other games, it pays more. And that's how you can read the slots. So I'm giving you sauce.
Thank you for playing.
You can read if the game hits a lot or is it going to be harder. So if it hits a lot, it's probably not going to pay that much. I'll show you some right quick. Go to more games now. Now check this game. This is one of my favorite games, Wrong Power. My favorite games. Pay table, Wrong Power. This one, look at the icons over here. 1,000 power. Ladies pay 1,000. So a full screen, a 5 of a kind pay 1,000. So a full screen of ladies will pay 20,000. Straight like that. On a $20 bet. So as you can see, like 1,000. Look, 500 is for the second highest. In the previous game, the highest one was 500. So this one hits less. This one hits like 250 for the icons. And look, there's less icons too, as you can see. Look, there's only these 4 icons, that's it. So there's less of these, and they come up less times. And this right here, look, ace, king, 125, and then 100, 100, 100, 100. So they pay higher, for the little shit. The little shit pays a little bit higher. So that's how you can know. So that's how you know the difference between if a game pays a lot or doesn't pay much. So Sparking Nightlife is what I was on the other day. Just the one I hit the jackpot for 4,300. This one, free games. Has a lot of free games, but this one doesn't pay, crazy high. Look, doesn't pay crazy high, but it hits more frequency. This pays low. There's a lot of hits. So that's how you can read the different games. They're not all built the same. They're not all built equal. So knowing this, you have to have more bankroll. China Shores, this one's hard to hit on. China Shores is hard to hit on. Like, look, check the pay table on this. China Shores, it's hard to hit on. But 1,000, 5 500, 250, 250, just like Wrong Power. But it pays good. So it's hard. The harder to hit it on, the more it pays. It pays bigger. It's harder to hit on. It's easier to hit on. It hits more frequently. It pays less. Shit like that. Now any game can go off at any time. I'm just giving you sauce. So it's casino method. This is exclusive gym. You just can't get this nowhere. Y'all gotta pay. Y'all, man, I charge for this. I got way more sauce than this too. So tap in. You know what to do. If you found the value in this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We keep blasting off, man. Crazy casino game, you heard? I ain't even get to finish my Diet Coke yet, man. Straight like that. So we're getting busy today. We're getting active in the high limit room like we always do. I always play in the high limit room because the games have a higher RTP, return to player rate, okay? You see that? I gave the game 8 spins. Put $200 in to get the game going. 8 spins, pow. And I got a win. Just real quick. Straight like that. So tap in for more sauce like we always do. Casino method. You heard? Spontaneous production. Alright, so I just made a quick $237 profit in about 2 or 3 minutes. So, I mean, name another gig you know where in like 3 minutes you'll make $237, okay? And I got a free burger, okay? So, casino method, I'm giving you real sauce to really win and run it up. You want to go on a winning streak and win consistently. That's the best way to maximize your play time, maximize your profit, maximize your money, and walk out a winner out the casino all the time and not a loser. Now I'm on a 5-day winning streak, alright? I'm on 5 days straight. Some days you gotta dig deep, some days you don't. See, the other day when I won the jackpot for $4,300, I had to dig deep. I had to put in $3,200 just to win a profit of $1,079, okay? Just to win that profit. I had to put in 3 racks, 300. But today I had a bankroll. You know, I came with a thick bankroll, but I only put in 200. So all it took was 200 to win. You know, my bankroll was 2,400 today, but I only needed 200 to win. So, you know, I'm gonna take that and walk away, and that's it. You know, I'm good. I mean, yeah, I could go dig deep and try to smack a jackpot, but you know, it was my birthday, so I went hard, I went big for that reason. But hey, I got work in the morning. I'm gonna just go ahead and call it and just take my money real quick. You know, quick $234, and that's a 5-day winning streak. So if you keep going on winning streaks, then the money is lucrative and it keeps growing exponentially. All right, you will grow exponentially fast if you keep doing it the way I do it. I give you the method. I don't tell you to go head crack the shit all day, every day. You know, just play till you win, and when you win, you're done. Walk away. And I promise you, you will make a fat bankroll. And you'll make money that could change your life. Straight like that. I'm keeping it all the way real. Casino method is very lucrative. This shit got me up very nice right now. So, and when you do take losses, you'll have the money to bounce back quick. Like you saw in the previous video yesterday, I went down 3 racks, then bounced back quick. So it didn't even take a loss. So you always gotta stay 10 toes down and don't quit. Don't ever give up, because all it takes is one fucking spin to fix everything, to make up for all the losses and make it all worthwhile, right? So it's time to blast off. We out here, man. Everything getting big. So yo, till next time, we out of here. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Spontaneous Productions. All my Gamble Lagoons, what up? Run it up. Please gamble responsible too, though, alright? We out. Peace.